channel. Today I am doing a very classic smoky eye which I have paired with this beautiful dress right here, and I bought this from Brand Factory. This is from the brand Prima Diva. I hope I'm saying it right. But if you want me to do a haul regarding all my new clothes, then please comment down below and I love to know that. And I have already done my base makeup, and in this video I'll be telling you the tips and tricks to how to get the perfect smoky eye. So I'll zoom you in now and we'll start off with my eye makeup. So for this eye look I'm using two of my palettes, and one of them is my Makeup Revolution Redemption palette in Hot Smoked, and the second one is the Rock Nudes palette from Maybelline. So I'll start off with my Redemption palette, and I'll take the first shade as my transition shade from this palette, the second shade from this palette, to go into my crease. I'm using a blender brush to put this into my crease. Perfect brown like beige color, which is perfect for transition. I forgot to tell you that I have already primed my eyelids and set them with the powder. Alright, so I'm done with the first color, and now I'll go in with a warm brown color. Since I do not have any warm brown color in both of these palettes, so I'll be using my bronzer to go into my crease to deepen the crease up. So I'm using the Maybelline Dream Sun bronzer to go into my crease. I wear my bronzer as my crease shade all the time because these are the perfect warm everyday colors which you can use as in your everyday makeup. Alright, so I'm done with my transition shades, and now I'll go in with a deeper brown shade from the Redemption palette itself. And this is like a dark brown with a cool undertone, and I'll be using the same brush to put this just below my crease. In this eye look I am going from brown to black. See, I'm not going into the crease, and I'm just putting this color just below my crease, leaving a perfect moon-like shape on your eyelid, where we'll be putting the star of the show, that is the black color. The main point of this whole look is that all the colors should be blended together. Any harsh line can ruin this look and make it worse. So please keep in mind that you have to blend it completely. Go in with the next color from the Rock Nudes palette. I love this palette, but somehow after using it I realized that I like the matte ones better, and the shimmery ones are a little bit disappointing because they are not so pigmented as I expected them to be. This is my first palette and I expected a lot from it. Alright, so I'm taking the next shade with this brush right here, and the next shade is a grey shade from the Rock Nudes palette right here. and I'm putting this all over my eyelid, just leaving a little bit of space for black color. Right, so I'm done with the grey shade, and nextly I'm using a flat brush like this to put my black shade in the space we have left for it. So I'm taking the black shade from the Rock Nudes palette, and I'll be putting this color really close to my eyelash. I want that gradient look from black to brown, and you have to take time to put these colors into places, because each color has its own place, and if you miss it, it can look a little bit clumsy. Working with black eyeshadow is not easy, guys. You have to give it some time and practice well to get the perfect look, because it can spoil your whole look. This black eyeshadow will give a smudgy eyeliner look, which is my favorite personally. If you are not wearing the whole smoky eye, then you can wear this smudgy eyeliner look, which is very much in trend nowadays. So I'm done with my black shadow, and I'll be putting bold eyeliner with the Kajal pencil. So I'm putting this Kajal really close to my eyelashes, so that the black color gets more intense towards my eyelash. I'm using the same product to go into my waterline. See how beautiful this kajal looks. Now I'll be putting my mascara, and again I'm using the same, my Lash Princess mascara, which is my favorite product. I'll mention the original price of these products also in the description box down below if you want to know. Again with my bronzer to go into my crease, as the color is already blended away due to lots and lots of blending, and I want that hint of brown to be there. Okay, so I'll highlight my brow bone and my inner corners with a highlighter today, and this is the Wet n Wild highlighting powder in Blossom Glow. So I'm using this guy right here. Since the whole eye look is in matte, so this color will give a hint of glitter. To make it glowy. I'm using the flat brush again to put the dark brown shade below my eyelashes, because I want this smoky eye to be all over and not just above my eyes. So I'm done with my eye makeup, and I'll finish off my face by applying my bronzer with a big fluffy brush like this, and I'll put it over my cheekbones. One of you commented down in my last video that you want me to do a video on contouring and bronzing. I'll be doing all the videos which you are suggesting me. Just be patient and relax. Thank you so much guys for supporting me in this. Like, I was so nervous while starting this on my channel, because most of you expect me to do the music part more. I understand that because I have been doing it for a long time, but guys, I love makeup. I love it so much that like it has motivated me so much to do and to introduce this concept on my channel, and I'm so happy that I did that. Please keep supporting me, and thank you again. Now I'll apply my blush. I'm using my Maybelline Color Show blush in Peachy Sweetie, which is my favorite, and I used this in my last video also, but again I'm using it because it's matte, and since we have done matte eye look, so it will look amazing. And yeah, going to highlight my face with the same highlighter which I used to highlight my brow bone and my inner corner. This is like the most beautiful highlight ever. Like, it's intense but still it's amazing. If you like intense highlights, then you will love this product. So I'll finish off this makeup with a nude lip, because we have done so much on the eyes and I don't want to be overpowering the eye look. So I'll be using this Superstay 24 color from Maybelline. Lip balm side also, which you have to use after like 30 seconds or so. It locks the lipstick in place, and it will not smudge off and will not be sticky and irritating, which is the worst part of a liquid lip. Alright, so I have zoomed you out, and this is the completed look, the amazing classic smoky eye look. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you like this video, please click on the like button down below, and please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Please comment down below how do you like this video, and if you want me to do any particular or individual video regarding something, please comment down below. Okay, so meet you in my next video. Bye bye.